Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to cash out on Fliff. As you can see, I am on the official website of Fliff, so I'll tell you how you can cash out from Fliff. So the first step is, as you can see, open the Fliff app on your device. So the first step is open the Fliff app on your device. Make sure to open it on your mobile, as you might not be able to access this website on like PC or laptop. So make sure to try with the phone. And after that, log into your account using your details and navigate to the profile section. You will see the profile section like below in the center, and click on redemptions option. So make sure to go to this option, profile, and after that click on redemption. And after that, just enter how much Fliff cash you want to exchange. Just select the amount, and after that pick your payment method. And once you pick your payment method, you will obviously need to enter your details. So make sure to enter all the details correctly and submit your request and wait for the operator to process it. And after that, we must note that Fliff requires you to make at least one purchase to qualify for redemption. As if you did not made any purchase, so you might not be able to qualify for redemption. So make sure to at least do one purchase and after that do the redemptions, and that is how you can easily cash out Fliff.